Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. A chilly morning out there with some of you below freezing. Some of you haven't quite gotten there yet. The areas where it's dropped near or below freezing are in those dark blue shaded areas where there's a freeze warning until 10 o'clock this morning. Areas where there's a frost advisory in place, that's the lighter blue shade there. That also goes till 10 o'clock this morning. Some have maybe seen temperatures get cold enough for frost, but not all areas have. Farther north and west from there where there are no advisories or warnings, that's because those areas have already seen temperatures drop below freezing at least once, if not several times this fall, and so there's no need to keep issuing these out once the growing season ends. But we will probably see more of these in the future because not everybody has seen that hard freeze yet out there, and in the next couple of weeks we'll have chances here in the coming weeks ahead, maybe as early as next Monday the way it looks right now. Well, moving on here, we are looking at our future cast. We have some clouds that are going to pass through northeastern parts of the state. That's going to keep things a little bit cooler there. The other thing I'm going to point out, there is actually a stalled out frontal boundary. It's right in this area here. It's kind of hard to define exactly where it is. It's eventually going to turn into a cold front later today and sag south, and it should end out somewhere around here later today. So our winds are going to be kind of all over the place direction-wise today. Shouldn't be real strong, though. We're going to enjoy plenty of sun, but like I said, the northeastern areas here are going to see a few more clouds than everybody else, which may hold temperatures down a little bit. But in general, it's going to be warmer to the southwest as you get closer to and out ahead of that frontal boundary that'll be sagging south. Like I said, it should be somewhere around here towards the end of the day. Heading into tonight, pretty quiet weather with mostly clear skies. The wind's not too strong. We'll start to see clouds come in towards early tomorrow morning. Those clouds will be on the increase during the day on Saturday. Along with the increase in clouds will also be increasing east and southeasterly winds. Those winds blowing in from that direction there. And again, quite a bit of cloud cover, becoming mostly cloudy. Maybe even our first signs of a little bit of rain by the end of the afternoon. More likely to see rain as we get into the evening hours. A chance of rain, isolated thunderstorms. Right in here, we're going to have to watch these areas for maybe some stronger thunderstorm activity here. The chances will actually increase a little bit more after midnight Saturday night into Sunday. We'll see some more showers, and in fact, Sunday, we're going to be looking at even more showers out there Sunday. Along with that, the winds are going to start to take a northerly turn on Sunday, and that's going to draw in some cooler air. So it does look like now Sunday looks like a rather miserable day out there. The forecast has been trending downward anyway, and that trend continues now. So Sunday does not look like a very nice day. But let's jump back to Saturday night, as we do have that small chance of a little bit of severe weather over our southeastern counties. That's a low-end marginal risk of severe weather at 1 out of 5 risk there in the green, mainly for the threat of a little isolated large hail. A slight risk kind of on the very edge of the local 4 viewing area there in Republic County in Kansas, and then outside of our area, that's a level 2 out of 5. A little bit better chance of a little severe weather here. There's actually a much higher threat on Sunday down to our southeast. Parts of, in fact, you know what, why not? I'll just show it to you instead of talking about it here. I'll have to pan over here, but check this out. Let me move this through here real quick. Check out this for Sunday here, an enhanced risk, a large area of enhanced risk for Missouri and Arkansas. They could be looking at all threats of severe weather, including tornadoes there on a Sunday. Usually an enhanced risk day 3 days out, usually means it may eventually get upgraded to a moderate risk. But very interesting severe weather setup on Sunday off to our southeast. Not for us, though. We'll be looking at chilly rain showers and maybe some isolated thunder. Well, until then, we have a pretty good day in store for today. One of the nicest days of our forecast, in fact. A little cooler in the northeast on the other side of that boundary, and where there will be a few more clouds, some places struggling to 60. That said, it's better than what we saw yesterday, but much nicer as you go to the southwest. Low and mid-70s in southwest Nebraska, northern Kansas. Here in the Tri-Cities, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. We'll drop back into the 30s and lower 40s tonight. Not quite as cold as this morning in most locations, so not as much widespread frost, but patchy frost is still possible. Tomorrow we begin to cool down. It's going to be breezier, a few more clouds around, mid to upper 50s, low to mid 60s for highs, maybe upper 60s in north central Kansas. Tomorrow night, with extra clouds around, it's going to actually be warmer night, so 40s and 50s for lows, so no threats of frost or freezing, no snow, nothing like that. And then Sunday, kind of a miserable day. It's going to be a breezy north wind, chillier temperatures in the 40s up north. In fact, only low to mid 50s around the Tri-Cities. Southwest Nebraska might get into the 60s there, not quite as bad there with the chances of rain being lower. So let's look at the long range here now. Again, you can see how things go downhill through the weekend. So Sunday does not look like a real nice day. As we look ahead to next week, it's interesting as we'll be in between storm systems Monday. Might be cold enough Monday morning for some areas of frost again. Monday, a cool day, but at least improved, partly cloudy skies. Tuesday looks a little bit warmer, It's also going to be windier, stronger southerly winds that'll help warm things up ahead of our next storm system that could possibly impact us as early as Tuesday afternoon, but more likely Tuesday night into Wednesday with a chance of rain and isolated thunder. It will be windy on the backside of that system Wednesday, but doesn't look overly cold. Thursday looks dry, mostly sunny, windy, and not terribly cold again there, but the winds on Thursday might be really strong. We could be looking at gusts over 40 miles per hour, so we could be looking at some really strong winds on Thursday. As we look towards the end of next week into that weekend, which is the final 3 days of October, we'll actually warm it up maybe a little bit towards Friday and Saturday of next week, then cool things down on Halloween Sunday. Also, as of right now, and this is a long ways out, still 10 days out, but as of right now, I think we'll see quiet weather on Halloween. Not a guarantee, of course, 10 days out, but it looks like it should not be a major weather impact day for Halloween, as sometimes we do get that with snow and things like that. I don't think we'll see anything like that yet, but that could always change being 10 days out. So this is kind of that early Halloween forecast at this point. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Friday morning. Enjoy the day. It may be the best one we see for a while. I'll talk to you all again on Monday morning. Take care, and God bless. Bye.